Hello my friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, we want to make this beautiful and easy beanie hat together. This hat is a bottom-up hat and the body of the hat is made by only 2 rounds. I made that with a worsted weight yarn and 5mm hook. We don't need to make the body of the hat with a larger hook because this pattern makes the fabric wider and wider. I made that for teen size or large adult size. You can adjust that and make it for each size you want. If you're ready, let's get started. Start the work with a slip knot and make 10 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. These chains determine the width of the brim of the hat, and you can adjust that and add or subtract number of chains. And now skip the first chain and make 1 single crochet into second chain. Then go to next chain and make 1 single crochet into that and 1 single crochet into next chain, and continue this work. We have to make 1 single crochet into each chain across. Now at the end I have 9 stitches, 1 less than the foundation chains. Make a chain, turn the work to start row 2. Insert hook under both loops of first stitch, make 1 single crochet, and then make 1 back loop single crochet into next stitches. Insert hook into back loop of the stitch, make 1 single crochet. Again, insert the hook on the back loop of the stitch and make 1 single crochet, and continue this work and make other single crochets into back loop of next middle stitches. And at the end, for last stitch, we should again make 1 normal single crochet. I mean, insert the hook under both loops again, such as the first stitch, not into back loop, and make 1 single crochet. Make a chain, turn the work to start next row. In this row we should repeat row 2. Make 1 normal single crochet into first stitch and 1 back loop single crochet into each of next 7 stitches, and at the end make 1 normal single crochet under both loops of last stitch. Again, for start next row, make a chain, turn the work, and repeat previous row. This row should be repeated until the length of this band reach the desired circumference, and the number of rows should be a multiple of 3 because of the pattern of the body. I repeat this row and make a rectangle with this band, and then I'll come back. Now I have 60 rows of single crochets, and now I want to join both sides together, so fold the band in half and attach last row and first row together with slip stitch. Insert hook under both loops of first stitch of last row, and then insert the hook into remaining loop of first stitch of first row here, and yarn over, pull through, and pull through this loop on the hook to create the first slip stitch. Then go under both loops of next stitch of last row and remaining loop of next stitch of first row, yarn over, pull through, and pull through this loop, and repeat that work for next stitch. We have to join each stitch of last row to front stitch of first row with slip stitch, and continue this work until the end. Okay, now turn the work completely and you can see this invisible join. And now I want to start the body of the hat around the long edge of this band. Actually, we have to start the work around this circle. So make a chain and start the body with same hook First make one single crochet into this space, the joining space, and then go at top of the first row of the brim and make one double crochet, one single crochet here. Again, go to next row of the brim and make one single crochet at top of that, and go to next row, make one single crochet at top of that, and repeat this work. We have to make one single crochet into each row of the brim, and at the end the number of single crochets of this round should be equal to the number of rows of the brim. Now after making 60 single crochet, make a slip stitch into first single crochet and start round 2 with 2 chain. These 2 chains doesn't count as a stitch. Now skip the first stitch, the same stitch, and the second stitch. Okay, now go to third stitch and make one V-stitch here. First make one double crochet into third stitch of previous round, and then make one chain and another double crochet into same stitch. That's a V-stitch that we made into third stitch of previous round. Now skip 1 and 2 stitch and make V-stitch into third stitch. One double crochet, one chain, and another double crochet into same space. And repeat that work. Skip 2 chain, 2 stitch, and make one V-stitch into next stitch. And continue this work until the end of the round. Okay, the last V-stitch is worked into the last stitch of previous round, and now we have 2 stitch between the last V-stitch and the first V-stitch. Okay, now make a slip stitch at top of first double crochet, not these 2 chains. Insert the hook under these 2 loops of first double crochet, make one slip stitch. Now make one chain and one half double crochet into same stitch. Yarn over, insert the hook into same stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, and pull through 3 loops on the hook. Now make one half double crochet into this chain 1 space of first V-stitch, and one half double crochet into second double crochet of first V-stitch. We have to make one half double crochet into each double crochet in each chain 1 space of previous round. Again, one half double crochet into first double crochet of next V-stitch, one half double into chain 1 space, and one half double into second double crochet of this second V-stitch, and continue this work. And we have to make half double crochet into each space in each stitch of previous round. Now at the end of round 3, make one slip stitch into first half double crochet and start round 4 with 2 chain again. And now in this round we don't work into the stitches of previous round, but we work into chain 1 space of each V-stitch of round 2. Okay, yarn over, insert the hook into chain 1 space of first V-stitch of 2 rounds below here, yarn over, pull up a loop, pull a long loop, and make one double crochet, then make a chain, and again make another double crochet into this chain 1 space, pull a long loop, pull through 2, and pull through 2. And now this is one spike V-stitch that we made into chain 1 space of first V-stitch of 2 rounds below. And we should repeat this work. Skip all stitches of previous round, go to next chain 1 space of 2 rounds below, and make one spike V-stitch here. One double crochet, one chain, and one double crochet into same space. And again repeat that work. Go to next chain 1 space of 2 rounds below, make one spark double crochet, one chain, and another spike double crochet into same chain one space. And continue this work until the end of the round. Okay, now round 4 is finished, and make one slip stitch into first spike double crochet, and then we have to repeat round 3 and then round 4. First, make one round of half double crochet, make one half double crochet into each space and each stitch of previous round, and then make a repeat of round 4, round of spike V stitches, and make one spike V stitch into this chain one space of round 4, not into stitches of round 5, but make all spike V stitches into these chain one spaces of round 4 and repeat until the end. And we have to repeat these 2 rounds, round 3 and round 4, several times until the height of our hat from the start of the brim reaches the desired size. I repeated round 3 and round 4 6 more times, and now the height of my hat has reached 21 centimeters, 8.5 inches. Now I want to decrease the top of the hat. Make 2 chain and go to chain 1 space of first V stitch of 2 rounds below, and only make 2 spike double crochet, not spike V stitch. I mean, make 1 double crochet into the space, and without chaining make another double crochet, spike double crochet into that space, and repeat that work. Go to next chain 1 space of 2 rounds below and make 2 spike double crochets only without chaining, and continue this work until the end of the round. Okay, at the end of this round I made a slip stitch into first spike double crochet. Now start next round with a chain, and in this round we have to decrease these first 2 spike double crochets together. Yarn over, insert the hook into same stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, then insert the hook into next spike double crochet and pull up a loop, and yarn over, pull through all loops to create a decreased half double crochet over these 2 spike double crochets. Then make 1 half double crochet into next stitch and repeat that work. Make a decreased half double crochet over next 2 stitches, then make 1 half double crochet into next stitch, and continue this work until the end of the row to decrease the number of stitches in this round again. Now at the end of this round, make 1 chain and decrease every 2 stitch of previous round together. Make 1 decrease stitch over first 2 stitches, then go to next 2 stitches and decrease them together, and continue this work until the end of the round. At the end I made a slip stitch into first stitch, and the last stitch was a half double crochet, not a decrease stitch. And now this hole at top of the hat is very small, and I want to fasten off and cut the yarn. So leave a long tail and cut the yarn and fasten off. And after that I should turn the work and sew the top of the hat with this yarn and attach a pom-pom at top of the hat. Now my beautiful beanie hat is ready. I hope this video will be useful for you. If you want to see how I close the top of the hat and attach a pom-pom, you can see these videos. Have a nice day.